10 shortcut keys in Excel to skyrocket your productivity. Quickly switch between open workbooks using Control and Tab. Control and Page Up or Page Down navigates to the previous or next worksheet. Looking for something, Control and F will open the Find dialog to initiate your search. Control and H to open the dialog to find and replace content. Use Control, Shift, and Plus to insert new cells, rows, or columns. Similarly, Control and E to delete cells, rows, or columns. Dealing with large data set, navigate to the edge of data regions quickly using Control and arrow keys left, right, up, or down. Control and Home brings you to the beginning of the worksheet. Want to make a table using your data? Control and T to make it in a SCOF. Use Control, Shift, and L to switch on filter. Press it again to switch it off. Practice these commonly used shortcut keys to navigate Excel like a pro. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.